Alright, what's good, boys? We back with another motherfucking POV drive, man. Shit, time to get active on the 4th of July. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, my fucking car's stuttering like a motherfucker. I'm not gonna lie, track mode is probably breaking my car down. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this shit be like acting weird as hell. Damn, I'm over here drifting on the side of the damn road. What the fuck? I gotta stay in my lane. Oh, look at that moped, bro. That shit too little for the bro, I can't even fucking talk. That shit too little for them to be on that bitch. No cap. What the fuck? Bro, it's raining and shit. I gotta close the damn sunroof. What the fuck? Bro, I gotta hurry up. It's over here raining and shit. Bro, it's like taking 10 years, bro. Come on, damn. Dog, what the fuck? Y'all see that ugly ass shit? That shit ugly as hell. Bro, if it rained today, I'm gonna be mad as hell, bro. I'm trying to be lit today, bro. Like, the rain, bro, that's gonna like fuck everything up if it rains for real. I have to make my car louder soon, bro. Like, my car is so quiet. Like, it's not even enjoyable no more. Like, the sound of the car. Like, I just want to make it louder, bro. If I made it louder, like, I'd be having so much fun. I swear to God. Cause like, I'm not bored of the car, like the power or whatever, or like the way it look. I'm not bored of it yet, but like, I am bored of the sound. Like, it's just not. It ain't hitting no more, bro. It's stock. It's a stock pack. Scatpack Lastcall, bro. Not a Scatpack, this is a stock pack. Shit quiet as hell. Damn, what the fuck they got going on over there? Bro got his hazards on. What the fuck going on up there? Brimbos. Ain't gonna catch me slipping. Bro, my car is like stuttering every time I downshift from 4th to 3rd. I'll be in 4th gear, I hit the downshift, and it just like stutter, bro. What is going on with my motor? It might be time to get like a diet knot, whatever the fuck you call that shit. I can't even talk. I'm not gonna even try to pronounce that word. Oh shit, almost drove in a ditch. Bro, it's hot as hell in this car, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Run on these back windows. Shit. Imagine if I was to take them corners at full speed, bro. I swear to God, I'd probably like crash this bitch. On God. Now, which way should we go, bro? We gonna go this way, fuck it. And I'm not finna spin this bitch because I gotta save my tires. I'm not gonna, I've been doing too many donuts. I just got these tires, bro. They already fucking, they ain't fucked up, but like, I gotta chill. Let me hit this tunnel though. God, bro, what the fuck? These damn potholes, bro. Shit fucking my alignment up. Like, y'all see this? Like, that ain't me. The shit moving by itself, bro. These fucked up ass roads. I swear to God, Michigan got the worst fucking roads in the world, bro. Like, this shit is really fucking my wheel up. Bro, I need to keep this damn window down, bro. It ain't gonna be no sound or no exhaust noise if I keep that shit up. Bro, if I run over one more pothole. Oh, that's a wide body Chelly. That bitch hard as hell. Y'all see that wide body? That shit hard. But I'm not gonna lie though, I'm about to end the video, man. If y'all made it this far, leave 3 fire emojis if y'all made it to the end for it. Because I need to know who'll be watching my shit to the end. 3 fire emojis. Other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all boys later. Hey, yo, I had to turn the camera back on, y'all. No cat's a Hellcat behind me. That's what it was, a wide body, and now it's a narrow body, fucking, Chelly cat. What am I saying? It's a narrow body Chelly cat. Right behind me, I swear to God, y'all. I don't know if y'all see that shit. It's like a demon. Not an actual demon, but like a demon, like, because of the fucking eyes and shit. Put my shit in track mode real quick. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm about to cut up with Buddy real quick. Bro, that's why we need more fucking lanes out here, bro. Like, shit. I'm about to try to make a new friend, y'all. No cap. Is my head mount good? I hope my head mount good. I ain't seen it yet. What's he do? He about to get on the side of me? No, he about to stay behind me. Okay, I'm about to try to like, I don't know. Shit, what we finna do? Slow ass traffic, bro. Come on, damn. Oh, he about to turn. Fuck. I was trying to cut up with him. Y'all see him? That shit crazy, bro. He got the Hellcat out. Well, false alarm, y'all. I'm about to end the video. I thought he was about to come cut up with me.